Hi, my name is David Heeter, and I am in the middle of the live command event, drone command event, and sharing my testimony about how it's really opened my eyes to the opportunity that owning a drone can have. The people who put this together, and Damon and Diego, really put it right in front of you and how you can build this business. They take away the guesswork. If you lack direction, they are going to help you find the direction with ideas and the know-how, how to put your ads together, how to communicate with, potential prospects. For me, flying drones has just been a hobby and it's lots of fun. Now, if I can combine that with my own business, I mean, it's a win-win. So if you're on the fence, if you're wondering if this is worth the money, it's 10 times worth the money. The information in the first 2 days, and we still have another one to go. And I cannot wait for day three as we put it all together. Yes, if you're on the fence and you're interested in a drone business, this is a program you need to be part of.